Hello guys, today I will show you how to delete undeletable file. It is simple method. This file not deleted. I check this file, right click and delete. This problem could not find this item. Today I will show you to delete this file. Simple method. First of all, open browser and download software in RAR. This side when RAR open and download 46-bit and 32-bit. Me also download 46 bits. Cancel. I already this file download and use this file to delete. Right click this file and select it to archive. Select RAR and delete file after archiving and OK. This file to convert WinRAR file, right click and delete. This file deleted. Subscribe my channel Hsee. Thanks for watching.